Have you ever missed a crucial alert from an app because you were busy or your phone was on silent? We've all been there. It's frustrating when you need to be on top of things, but your phone just isn't cooperating. What if there was a way to make sure you never miss an important notification again? Police car light. That's where the Relay app comes in. Relay is a game changer for anyone who needs to stay informed without being glued to their screen. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to set up Relay to make sure your most important app notifications and alerts get to you, no matter what. First things first, you'll need to download the Relay app from your App Store. Once it's installed, open it up and you'll see a clean, simple interface. The goal here is to select which apps you want to relay notifications from. To do this, navigate to the App Selection or Sources menu within Relay. You'll see a list of all the apps on your phone. This is where you get to choose your VIPs, very important programs. Maybe it's a specific messaging app for work, a delivery tracker, or a financial app. Tap on the apps you want to monitor, and they'll be added to your Relay list. Next, we'll configure how you receive these relayed alerts. This is the core of the Relay app's power. Go to the Relay Methods section. Here, you'll have several options. You can set it up to send a text message to another phone, an email to your inbox, or even an alert to a different device, like a smartwatch or a tablet. For example, if you're in a meeting and your phone is away, Relay can send a text message to a coworker to let them know about a critical alert from your team's project management app. Or, you can set it to email you a summary of all missed alerts at the end of the day. You can even create different rules for different apps, like sending urgent messages via text but less critical ones via email. This allows for total customization. Finally, let's talk about notification filtering. You probably don't want every single alert to be relayed. Relay lets you be specific. Within the settings for each app you've selected, you can often filter notifications based on keywords. For instance, you could set it to only relay messages that contain the word urgent or critical. This prevents you from getting spammed with unnecessary information and ensures that only the most important alerts get through. By taking these 3 simple steps, selecting your apps, choosing your relay methods, and filtering your alerts, you can transform your phone from a source of constant distractions into a smart communication hub. It's all about putting you back in control. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.